Hello, beautiful. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine. So, the next lesson which I want you to remember is that you always, always do your back exercise. Okay, you are doing it now, and I want you to continue it in future. And I hope you know what I mean by that. I mean by that you straight up your back. Okay, always walk your heads up. Okay, always walk with your spine straight up. Okay, look into the eyes of people who hates you, who hated you, who did wrong things to you and to your family in your future. Remember all those things. Okay, I know that you are not that good at remembering the proper incidents maybe, but you remember that who did wrong with you, who wronged you, who violated you. Okay, so I want you to remember that those faces, those times which were difficult when people didn't supported you, your family, when you needed a lot of help, and by lot I mean a lot of it. Okay, so remember to remember those people. I am not saying to have hard feelings or things like that, or because they did wrong to you, you do wrong when you get capable of it. No, I don't mean anything by it. Okay, all I want is that you remember them. Okay, I don't want you can forgive them, but I don't want you to forget them, and especially what they did to you. Okay, never ever. Because people, those people who did wrong to you have this trait. You can say that they will, if they have done it once, they will do it twice, and they will do it again and again whenever they will get a chance. Okay, so never ever trust those people. Forgive by all your heart, but never forget by any of it. Never forget, never trust those people, because they were there when you needed them, and still they chose to do wrong. Okay, so tomorrow when you get wherever you want to be, tomorrow when you have all those things which you need, which you want, tomorrow when you make your parents comfortable about a lot of things, when you have all those stuff that you need and want, okay, badly now, at that point I don't want you to, because there are a lot of people in your life that are near and dear to you, and they have this, you can say, capability or ability or cons and prawns, whatever you want to call it, but they have this thing that when they are joyous, when they are all this in a good mood, and things are comfortable, things are good, things are best happening with them, they are tend to forget the real faces of the people which did wrong to them, and they are all like forget and forgive. Okay, they forget and they forgive. I don't want you to do that. You can forget them. No, sorry, you can forgive them, but never forget. Never ever what they did to you, what they did to your parents, what they did to the times, like what they chose, because those always had this choice, whether to support you or whether to not support you, whether to do right with you, whether to wrong to you, but they chose what you didn't want it. Okay, they chose to wrong to you, they chose to not support to you. So when you have the capability, forgive them, but never forget what they did to you, because if you will be like, okay, things are good, if it's good, and if those people who did you are coming back to you saying all okay, let's forget all those times, let's forget all those things. Okay, you you may think like okay, let it be, let bygones be bygones, but at that point of time you are not doing justice to yourself. Okay, you got a chance for yourself, you build it, that chance for yourself, all by yourself alone. Okay, and when you finally have that chance, you are doing no justice with yourself. In past, those people did injustice with you, and now you yourself is doing injustice with yourself. Okay, you have no right to be that way. Okay, so never remember, try to remember the exact things what those people did to you, what they are doing to you now in this present time. I'm talking about this person. Okay? Remember the exact things what those people are doing to you, doing to her right now. Okay, and when you become what you want to be, you can forgive them. I suggest you to forgive them, but never forget, never trust these people. They are not worthy of it. They are not. They can be your family members, they can be your neighbors, they can be your friends. Remember. Remember the exact names of these relatives, these neighbors, these friends. Okay? I love you.